Hello all, this is Kumar Chandan. Welcome to Stock Fixers. We will analyze Bank Nifty and Nifty on the basis of Y, change in Y. We will also check out Maxpen and PCR as well as the trend cycle of both the indices. First, we will start with Bank Nifty and check out the closing price of it. Here is the closing price around 21,340.75 on July 15th, and we are talking about 16 July expiry, that is tomorrow's expiry. Now we will find out the trading range for the Bank Nifty, the range between highest call and highest put. For finding a trading range, first we will go through this column and find where is the highest call, and the highest call will act as the highest resistance for it. If we go through this column, here we can see around 9,96,000 contracts are open with addition of 2,28,000 contracts at 22,000 strike. So this is one of the major resistance, and followed by here we can see around 8,08,000 contracts at 23,000 strike. So this is going to be the highest resistance for Bank Nifty, and here we can see around 4,81,000 contracts are open with addition of 79,000 contracts at 21,500. So this is going to be the immediate resistance for Bank Nifty. Here is the highest, here is the second highest, and here is the immediate resistance for it. Also, if you see, we can see the huge amount of call addition, especially in this column we can see. So in above we are seeing that the upside of Bank Nifty seems limited. Now time to find out the highest support. For that purpose we will go through this column and see where is the highest support. Here we can see at 20,500 strike, here 20,500 strike, we can see 4,19,000 put has been added over here. So this is going to be the highest support, followed by here we can see 3,75,000 contracts at 21,500. So this is going to be the second support for Bank Nifty. How here, but we have here around 7,76,000 contracts at 21,000. So this is going to be the highest support at 21,000 with addition of 2,26,000 contracts, and this is going to be the second at 20,500, and this is the immediate support for Bank Nifty. As of now, the range of the Bank Nifty seems to be 20,500 to 22,000. This is going to be the range for the Bank Nifty. 20,500 to 22,000 is the range for the Bank Nifty, keeping the pivot level at 21,500. This is the pivot level for Bank Nifty today as well. So below this, which will Bank Nifty will try to go towards 20,500. Above this, Nifty will try to go towards 22,000. However, we have we are having here a huge resistance, so in between we may get some resistance. And now if we see the next change, we can see the here call riders was there, put riders was there. So it was something like range bound on day today, as we have seen the Bank Nifty and Nifty open with gap up and some up move we have seen in initial trades, but after few hours in second session we have seen the huge sell off from higher levels, and this thing may be continue for tomorrow as well. And overall the Bank Nifty seems bearish on the data. We will also check out PCR, Maxpen and trend cycle. So on OI, Bank Nifty seems bearish, and the higher level can be still used for the sell off if any pullback comes in Bank Nifty. Now here is the closing price of Nifty, 10,618 on July 15, and we are talking about 16 July expiry. Now the trading range for Nifty, highest call and highest put. For finding highest call, we'll go to this column. Here we can see 44 lakh contracts are added over here at 10,800. So this is going to be the highest resistance, followed by 37,000 contracts over here at 11,000. So this is going to be the second highest resistance. However, if you see these resistance, we can say the resistance in this strike as well. However, in net change, we can see here 2,64,000 unwinding and 5,51,000 unwinding, and here addition. So these are the important level on as far as the resistance is concerned. Now if we see the support, where we can see 21 lakh contracts open at 10,500, followed by 20 lakh contracts over here at 10,600. So 10,600 is going to be the important support as well. This is the second highest support with the addition of 3,91,000 contracts over here. So this is the second highest support. Here we can also see some still a very good amount of put writers are available here at 11,100. So this might be an indication that this can be some pullback may come in Nifty. However, this call writers indicates the pull writers may be used for the sell off again. Now the trading range for the Nifty seems to be 10,500 to 10,800. 10,500 to 10,800, keeping the pivot at 10,600. This is the pivot level for Nifty. Now if we see this call writers, put writers, this is simple indication the range bound market for Nifty, and the lower level can be used for the buying purpose. However, the higher level will be used for the huge sell-off. This is what the data indicating on Nifty. We will also check out the PCR and max pen and trend cycle for Bank Nifty and Nifty. Here see max pen of Bank Nifty decreased, however the max pen of Nifty has increased. So mixed over here. PCR is suggesting a little bearish, not much, but however in trend cycle, here we can see short, long unwinding from last 4 days on Bank Nifty, which is a weakness sign, and also the same weakness sign of long unwinding short cover at Nifty. So overall on trend cycle it is weak, and this is simple indication that is any pullback will be used for the bears for the sell off. So you have to be careful at the higher levels. This is all about Nifty and Bank Nifty on basis of data. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please share and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching.